Africa is the richest place in the world. Diamonds and gold, billionaires and millionaires, and my people dying from starvation. I just want to know, I just want to know what you gonna do when your people dying from starvation.
Wow. Do you know what's happening? I think Iran should not fight back. You know what I mean? They do not want Iran to fight back. All their officers get killed, and they should not fight back. What do you think? You gotta be a bloody fool if you let somebody keep on hitting you and you're not trying to hit them back. That's a mad talk. And that's what all these leaders, especially American leader and the European, is saying Iran is wrong. When the Israeli white people blow up their embassy, they're saying Iran is wrong. You could imagine that? So who is playing Santa Claus? Who is playing Santa Claus? Somebody playing Santa Claus. You know what I mean? So Iran should not fight back. It doesn't matter what Israel do to Iran. They must not hit back. Did you hear me? Everybody know these white people is in the land of Canaan and they take it over completely. And they're telling them not to fight back. And we all know that these white people are not from the land of Canaan. Same like South Africa. The white people move from Europe, go up into South Africa, and take that land over. And tell the South African, hey, you can't come out here at night, the black South African. If we catch you out here, we're going to whip you. And sooner and later, these white people are going to take South Africa completely over. I'm not bullshitting you. Sooner or later, they're going to take it over completely. Because that's their intention, to conquer the whole world, and it does not belong to them. So anywhere they go, they kill and they take. I don't understand why my people cannot see that. Why my people are so dumb and deaf and blind. I don't understand why they can't see. But the point what I'm trying to make, if black people don't wake up, we're going to fall into the pit of the white man. Straight up. Because there's more movement. There is no movement for the black man. No movement. He's stuck. He don't know if he's going, and he don't know if he's coming. You know what I'm talking about? He don't know if he's going, and he don't know if he's coming. And that's what I'm talking about. Now, people caught up so much that we are not paying attention to each other. No attention. So by we not paying attention to each other, anyone can abuse us at any time. You know, black man is abusing black man. The white man is abusing the black man. And we not doing anything. Straight up. We not saying anything. And we not doing anything. So it seemed like we caught up into a bad situation. Black people is not paying attention to black people. They care less. In dispensation of time, they care less about you. They have to the money, you know, the money. Everybody want money. And all the money belongs to the white man. Chasing after the white man stuff. Chasing down the white man money. Back to the Iranian. Nobody want the Iranian to fight back when Israel blow up their stuff. Nobody want the Palestinian to fight back when Israel blow up their stuff. Look, these guys don't have a army. They're helpless. They're helpless. They don't have any airplanes. No fighter jet. No tankers. No nuclear weapon. They're helpless. They don't have a standing army. And the only thing they're fighting for is the land. And guess what's happened? The land belongs to me. Me, the woolly man. Read my lip. And we are not fighting for it. You don't see no black men going into the land of Canaan fighting for the land. And they know that it belongs to us. You don't see no black men going up into Kemet fighting for the land. All they can do is talk about the land. But they're not fighting for it. No. They're not fighting for the land. You know why? You don't know why? Because the black men have nothing to fight with. He have nothing to fight with. So he can't be fighting. So all we can do is talk. And we are not talking about how can we fight and when we're going to fight. As Bob Marley said, we got to fight for our right. We got to stand up. But there is no freedom fighter to stand up. And there is no movement of the black man. He's stuck. You see what black people are doing? Black men want to marry white women, and that's what they're doing. They're not trying to marry their black people and share the wealth. They don't want to do that. They want to go off into other race of people so we can come together. And that's the point I'm trying to make. We becomes a sick race, stuck in band-aid. Do you know what I'm talking about, black man? Talking about the black man is not getting together to fight for his people, to take the land away from the white man and share it among ourselves. Did you get it? Wish black men standing up and saying, hey, let's take the land away from the white man and share it among ourselves. Wish black leaders, because they're scared. You know, scared? Once they're scared, that's what they're doing. And that's what's happening.